Mattress vacuum cleaner. How much should you really spend? Cheap ones promise deep cleaning but barely pick up dust, while expensive models claim to sanitize your bed like a hospital-grade machine. But here's the thing, price doesn't always mean performance. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best options that actually deliver on their promises. Product number 1, Bissell Little Green Mini. First up, the Bissell Little Green Mini. This isn't your typical vacuum, it's a portable deep cleaner with a spray and suction system. At $128, it sits in the mid-range, and what caught my eye is how it tackles embedded stains and allergens, not just surface dust. If you want something that actually lifts pet dander and spills from deep in your mattress, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses a combo of cleaning solution, scrubbing, and powerful suction to pull out dirt your regular vacuum misses. The included 4 tough stain tool gets into seams and corners, and the Hydro self-cleaning hose keeps maintenance simple. Plus, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, so you're helping pets in need while cleaning your bed. With over 50,000 bought last month, it's clearly resonating with pet owners and allergy sufferers. Now some people complained about the small tank capacity, only 8 Oz of formula. Here's the thing though, you're not supposed to drench your mattress. A little goes a long way and refilling is quick. The real issue is it doesn't have UV or heat, so it won't kill bacteria or mites like pricier models. But for stain removal and deep suction, it's solid. This is perfect for you if you've got pets or kids who leave behind spills and odors. Skip this one if you're looking for full sanitization with UV or heat. For the price, it's a great value for targeted deep cleaning. Product number 2, Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless. Next, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless. Priced at $115, this handheld vacuum is built for convenience and pet hair. What stands out is the 14V lithium-ion battery, no more tripping over cords while cleaning your bed. If you want quick, cordless cleaning for pet fur and surface debris, this one delivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The motorized brush tool agitates fabric to lift embedded pet hair, something regular vacuums miss. The triple-level filtration traps fine dust and dander, and the easy empty bin is designed so you don't have to touch the mess. With 10,000 plus sold last month, it's a favorite among pet parents who need fast touch-ups. Now, some people complained about battery life. It lasts about 15-20 minutes on high. Here's the thing though, for spot cleaning a bed or couch, that's plenty. It's not meant for whole room cleaning. Also, it lacks UV or heat, so it won't sanitize your mattress. But for daily pet hair maintenance, it's reliable. This is perfect for you if you've got shedding pets and want a lightweight, no-fuss cleaner. Skip this one if you need deep sanitization or long runtime. It's a great value for quick, cordless convenience. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for deep mattress cleaning with advanced tech. Product number 3, Teint Mattress Vacuum with UV and heat. Now we're stepping up with the Teint Mattress Vacuum. At $108, it packs serious tech. 16K paw suction, 253, 7 nm UVC light, 149 degrees F heat, and ultrasonic waves. What caught my attention is how it combines multiple sanitizing methods, something you usually see in pricier models. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The UVC light kills bacteria and mites, the heat loosens deep dust, and the 33,000 RPM tapping motion shakes allergens to the surface. The HEPA filter traps 99.99% of particles, and the dual-cup design separates hair from dust to prevent clogs. With 3,000 plus sold, it's gaining traction among health-conscious buyers. Here's the thing though, corded power means consistent suction, no battery fade. Also, the UV only activates when both wheels are pressed, which is safe but can feel finicky. Still, it's a smart safety feature. This is perfect for you if you suffer from allergies or want hospital-level clean. Skip this one if you hate cords or just need basic cleaning. For the features, it's a great value. Now, if Teint's price feels a bit high, the next one offers nearly the same tech for way less. Product number 4, GXZSK Mattress Vacuum with UV and heat. Next up, the GXZSK Mattress Vacuum at just $64. This one shocked me, same 16K paw suction, UVC light, ultrasonic waves, and 140 degrees F heat as pricier models. What stands out is the widened 8.7-inch suction port and green LED dust display, so you can actually see the dirt being lifted. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 500W motor and 30,000 RPM vibration pull deep dust to the surface, while the dual-cup system keeps hair from clogging the filter. The UV and ultrasonic tech work together to kill 99.99% of invisible particles, and the hot air dries moisture to prevent mold. With 1,000 plus sold, it's a hidden gem. Now, some people complained about the build feeling a bit plasticky. Here's the thing though, it's lightweight and functional, not a luxury item. Also, the cord is long but not retractable, just coil it up. For under $70, you're getting features that cost double elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you want deep sanitization on a budget. Skip this one if you need premium materials or cordless convenience. It's an unbeatable value for the tech. Alright, that was a budget winner. But the next one is almost identical. Let's see how it compares. Product number 5. CFBF Mattress Vacuum with Dual Cup. Finally, the CFBF Mattress Vacuum at $64.26, just 2 cents more than the last one. It mirrors the GXZ-SK with 16K PA suction, UVC ultrasonic, and 140 degrees F heat. What sets it apart is the 0.6L dual cup system and green LED display, making it great for larger beds. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The wider suction port and anti-tangle roller brush cover more area fast, and the LED light reveals hidden dust. The HEPA filter and cyclone tech keep airflow strong, and the 16.4 FT cord gives you room to move. With 1,000 plus sold, it's a quiet favorite. Now, some people complained about overheating after 10-15 minutes. Here's the thing though, that's normal for high-power motors. It's not a flaw, it's protection. This is perfect for you if you've got a king-size bed or multiple rooms to clean. Skip this one if you need cordless or ultra-quiet operation. For the price, it's a powerhouse. So which one should you pick? The Bissell Little Green Mini is best for deep stain cleaning. The Pet Hair Eraser is ideal for quick, cordless pet fur removal. The Tint offers premium sanitization with UV and heat. The GXZ-SK and CFBF deliver the same tech for half the price, great for budget buyers who want full features. If I had to pick one, the GXZ-SK gives you the most bang for your buck. Thanks for watching, drop your questions below.